So things like this actually kind of come at a good time. This is the Zeera MagTrip. It's a QI2 foldable travel MagSafe charger. Now I have used and continue to use a lot of portable phone, watch chargers because they're just super convenient. Anyways, this here, Zeera, which you guys know I like the Zeera products. They just they seem to work and not break, which is also good. It's the foldable MagSafe charger, the premium portable charger, the premium travel charger. Let me talk properly. With 15-watt wireless output. One review, 5 stars. Now again, you can get this. Looks like with just the charger with no plug, or you can get it with a US plug, or you can get it with European plug. With no plug, you're coming in about $56. I'm guessing with an actual plug, $79. That's right now. It looks like it's possibly on sale. If we look at what it says, let's see if it says anything here. This device revolutionizes your charging experience with notable enhancements. Enjoy faster charging speeds. That's always good because wireless charging can be a little sluggish. With QI2 official certification, supports 15-watt wireless charging for iPhones. Experience stronger magnet attachments, superior heat dissipation, and versatile stand functions. So you get a multitude of viewing angles. Transform your travel essentials with the perfect blend of portability and performance. And yeah, like I use the original one. I believe, well, I don't think it was called maybe it was called the MagTrip or Trifold or something like that. Anyways, this says that it'll do charging twice as fast. So again, that's kind of nice. All right, that's cool. And it also, so it does, because it's trifold, which means it'll do 3 things. So it's your phone, your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and they always talk about AirPods, but really it should be able to charge anything that's got Qi, like it's a Qi, wireless Qi charging. So it should be good. All right, let's take a look. And this is the box right here, right? Nice and small. Again, I don't know which one I got. They sent it to me. Again, it has all the little specs on the bottom for those of you out there that are interested in that. This should be able to open somehow right here. I like it when it opens the way it should. And just so you know, this we'll open this in a second, but this is the charger. Now it's got some heft to it as a travel charger. It is fairly large, but I'm guessing, you know, if you put that in my hand, right, you can kind of see how big it is. But I'm guessing it probably needs, again, for that heat dissipation and the faster charging, etc., etc. And we get a little user manual and a USB-C to USB-C cable. So I appreciate that, because the USB-C cable nowadays kind of important, right? And they give you one that's a decent length, so that's kind of nice. And if we take this out, I have to say, I do like the white on black. There's a little, I thought that was a button, but it's actually the lineup, right? So if you look at the back of an iPhone, where's my iPhone here? Of course I have a case on it, but usually there's a little, an alignment so that it snaps on here. Now I have a quad lock case on here, but still, yeah, so that and that's a good magnet, right? So yeah, that's good. It's actually lined up really nice so that the bottom of these two are like dead level with each other. So that's cool. And this is your feet. I'm guessing that's maybe some kind of ventilation. How does this even open? Does it slide? Does it? Oh, it's stiff. It's definitely got some, like that hinge down here, definitely got some stiffness to it. So that comes up. See, that's nice. So maybe this one really is for I would say the AirPods, because you have to watch, right? Because it's not flat. You guys see that? There's some depth to it. So what happens is the AirPods would fit nicely inside that, which is good because then you know that it's aligned properly, right? Because it fits in there. So if you had like third-party ones, like me, I have a lot of earbuds, but they're bigger cases, even though they have wireless charging, so that they'd be sitting up. So watch that, right? If you had a small case, they may work, but it is designed for AirPods, so they don't say it's any kind of earbuds, right? So it's not as if I can be like, well, that doesn't work with those because they didn't say it would. Anyways, like I said, it looks like you have probably cooling vents here, On the back of this one as well, you have some cooling vents. And this also has this fold out piece right there. So it just kind of folds, so you guys can see it, it folds out here for that. That's nice. You know what? I like that. And you got your phone, you can sit it like this, right? So that it's charging if you want it that way. If you're not, I'm curious, if you had your watch on there, could you still spin it to the side? So if I had, this is my Apple Watch, right? It sits like that. Could that, oh yeah, see, look at that. It's actually, there's a big enough space between the watch charger and the phone so that you could have it horizontal like this, right? If you wanted to, or you could take that and spin that down. And that's with, I have a, pretty chunky case on here, but still the back, allows you to do that. Now, I don't know if you had an Ultra or something like that, like an Apple Watch Ultra, because I don't know how much thicker they are, if that would work. But decent magnet actually even on the Apple Watch charger. And if you don't need that, again, you just kind of push that back. And even like really, I guess in theory, could you, if it wasn't, could you hold it off to the side? Yeah, you would, even the magnet off to the side. So if you had that sitting somewhere like that, not that you would, but if you wanted to, you could. That's nice. It is, like I said, it is a bit bigger in regards to a travel charger, because not a lot, but it's got some thickness to it. It's probably less thick than my other travel charger because it's only like, it only folds twice, right? Whereas it's definitely longer this way. But that's a strong magnet. And again, you do get the QI2, which is really nice, because who doesn't want your phone to charge twice as fast as it normally does? Because that's for me one of the, I want to say, biggest issues with Qi chargers is the old ones, is that, yeah, they're great, but they're slow, right? So if you wanted a quick charge, you would plug it in anyway. This 15 watts, so even with a cable, I think you're only getting 20. So that's getting way closer. All right, guys, I'll leave links to Zeera's website, and if you're interested in this, especially for home, the office, or travel, it should work really good. All right, guys, that's the Zeera MagTrip, I believe it's called. And yeah, I like it. It's good. All right, links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that little notification bell, and we'll see you guys next video. Later.